Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw Litecoin from your Tangem wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With the latest blockchain updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever, making it easier for you to manage your crypto assets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your Litecoin in no time. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up on your device. You'll need your Tangem wallet with some Litecoin in it and the Arculus wallet address ready to receive the funds. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Tangem wallet app and log in using your secure method, like a PIN or biometrics. This ensures your account stays protected. Step 2. Navigate to your portfolio section and select Litecoin from your list of assets. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover any transaction fees. Step 3. Tap on the Withdraw or Send button. This will prompt you to enter the destination details. Step 4. Input the Arculus wallet address carefully. In 2025, most wallets have built-in address verification to prevent errors, so look for that green checkmark. Step 5. Specify the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer and review any fees. With improved network speeds, fees are lower now, but always confirm to avoid surprises. Step 6. Hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction. You might need to approve it via your device's security features. Once done, sit back. The transfer should process quickly, often in under a minute thanks to 2025's optimized blockchain. Finally, head over to your Arculus wallet app to verify that the Litecoin has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check your steps. If you run into any issues, check the official wallet support pages. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.